Welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about living room. Living room, often considered the heart of a home, serves as a canvas of personal expression and style. Its decor not only reflects the individual taste but also contributes to the overall ambience of the space. From furniture arrangement to color scheme, every element plays a role in creating a harmonious and inviting environment. Furniture selection forms the foundation of living room decor, whether opting for modern minimalism or classic elegance. Choosing pieces that with both comfort and aesthetic is the key. Sofas, chairs, and tables serve as functional focal points, while accessories like cushions and throws add a layer of coziness. Color palettes influences the mood of the room. Neutral tones create a versatile backdrop, allowing for easy incorporation of accent colors through decor. It's an artwork. Vibrant hues can infuse energy and personality, turning the living room into a lively and dynamic space. Lighting is a aspect of decor, enhancing both functionality and ambience. Consideration of lighting sources contributes to a balanced and visually appealing atmosphere. Wall decor includes art and mirrors, transforms blank surface into captivating focal points. Personal touch, such as family photos and artwork, infuse the space with sentimental values. Mirror not only create an illusion of space but also reflect light. Living room decor is a reflection of individual preferences and lifestyle. The interplay of furniture, colors, lighting, and accessories creates a unique narrative within the home. offering a comfortable and aesthetically pleasing sanctuary for relaxation and socialization. Thanks for watching.